on 3/2/22, the claimant was represented by a legal officer. Defendant was absent. Mr. Baje was for the claimant. And the matter was adjourned to 4/3. And on the fourth day, claimant was in court, represented by M. Owen, so as the legal officer. Then Mr. Baje for the claimant, Olariwaju Olale for the first defendant.
The event we are, my lord, sir, sorry, sir, the event we are referring to as at the material time, my learned friend has not come into the matter.
I see.
Maybe we could go down.
And the pages of this are numbered 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How could it be 20?
This is the 10th one. Where
Yes.
could we have gone wrong? I wish I knew this before now.
All our exhibits are already
Standard.
Yes, my lord, sir.
Through him.
Yes, my lord.
You couldn't be here now. You can't be here. This one is not for me. This is Lagos State University versus Mr. Badmus.
On that day, my lord, sir, there are about 2 cases that we really that we conducted trial. This one and the one of Soyeju, Lagos Soyeju, they are similar, you know.
by the counsel to the first defendants. Very well. Now is our Zoom guests around? Come.
Yes, I am.
Please press this join right there. This one. What's his name again? Dr. Badmus, are you still with us?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, he's here. I've seen him. Okay. Please listen because we are going to start off again.
All right.
Which one is it? I didn't sign. Okay. Yes. Please start.
I joined Lagos State University 23rd March 2009.
When?
23rd March 2009.
2009.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
As an assistant registrar?
No, I joined as an administrative officer too. Administrative officer too.
So your present office is assistant registrar?
I'm currently a principal assistant registrar at the moment.
Thank you.
Please, you have to speak into your last so that we hear you very well.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. The first defendant on the 7th day of September was an assistant lecturer at the Department of Accounting, Faculty of Management Science of the university. Is that correct?
That's correct.
In what department?
Accounting.
In accounting.
Accounting, Faculty of Management Science.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, witness. He got scholarship from EMHED, EMID Plus Limited, to study Masters and PhD Computer System Audit in London Metropolitan University in 2008-2009 academic session. Is that also correct?
That's correct.
Come again, counsel. You must realize that if I become a machine, it will be one of the first to know. You have said a lot of things, so
very sorry, my lord.
Yes.
Very sorry, my lord.
So he got a scholarship
from EMHED.
EMHED. This EMHED is what?
EMHED. EMHED
Okay.
Plus Limited.
Okay.
To study MSc.
Okay.
And PhD, Computer System Audit. Computer System Audit.
Okay.
In London Metropolitan University.
Yes.
In 2008-2009 academic session.
Yes.
Now, the question to the witness is whether that is correct.
And he said yes.
Affirmatively, say
Please,
yes.
MSc/PhD, not
PhD.
MSc, and as you said, MSc/PhD.
/PhD. Okay.
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 Yes.
Now, witness, do you know what led to the withdrawal of the sponsorship by EMHED Plus Limited? What led to it? What incident led to it?
He completed the program, sir, for the MSc and
Okay.
returned to the university, submitted a certificate of the program to the university. So for us at university,
No,
he completed the
take it
program.
He completed his he
He
completed,
completed the program,
yes.
returned to the university. That was in
Completed MSc. Is MSc/PhD.
Yes,
So he completed which one now?
the MSc.
MSc. So that means PhD is still outstanding.
No.
It's outstanding.
No.
The sponsorship, my lord, the
Yes.
sponsorship is for MSc/PhD.
Yes.
He completed MSc, so needed to go back for PhD.
My lord, sir. MSc or PhD. So if you are applying for leave, the time you say specifically which of the leave you are going for. So you went for MSc, which is for 1 year.
Okay, so this is no more slash, but or.
Yes.
You should put or.
Yes.
So it's now or.
In your written evidence before this honorable court, it is slash. That is MSc and PhD.
The court will say,
Not
I
that.
now say
Ask up, please.
I now say it is MSc or PhD. This may help us later. Yes.
Now the question is, do you know what led to the withdrawal of the sponsorship by Hemet Plus Limited?
I'm not aware of that, sir.
I am not aware of that.
Not aware that the sponsorship was withdrawn.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I am not aware. Witness, how much is the grant availed to the first defendant? The value of the grant.
Are you talking about the scholarship or what?
Not the scholarship.
Which you can answer? Can you be specific, sir?
There's an exhibit before this honorable court,
Okay.
wherein you were using the nomenclature grantee, grantor. Is that correct?
Okay.
I believe the proper procedure would have been to put the document.
No, sir. I think I can speak. I understand what he's trying to say.
Okay.
Let me explain now. After like I said, after the first year of the MSc,
Yes.
he
Please
came
call
back
Shane.
to the university and applied for a leave of absence, a training leave. And for training leave, there are conditions for training leave, which is you must enter into a bond. And in that bond, part of the condition is that while you are in training leave, the university would pay salaries, pay emolument, amongst other things, and you must have somebody who will stand as a guarantor for you.
That's okay.
That is what he's trying to.
Yes, that's well understood.
Okay.
Now the question is, how much is the grant availed to him, to the first defender? What is the value of the grant?
It is for the period of the 4 years and it's calculated by our budget department. So I cannot say for this as it.
So you don't know. If you
it is
don't
part
know,
of the documents before the courts. I cannot really recall at this moment, but it's calculated by our budget departments.
You can't remember.
I said I cannot recall, but the documents are before the court.
That's okay. We are not fighting.
No, we are not fighting, sir.
We are not fighting.
Yes.
Now, do you know, sir, that the first defendant's salary was stopped since January 2014? The salary was stopped since January. Do you know? If you know, I know. If you don't know, I don't know.
Sir, I'm not aware of that, sir.
I am not aware of that. January 2014. January 2014. Now, were you aware of his health challenges?
I'm not aware of any health challenge.
Not aware.
Yes.
Now, I put it to you that the first defendant got sacked on 7th September 2017. What evidence do you have of his completion of the program? What evidence do you have of the completion of his program?
He got sacked on
7th day of September 2017.
okay.
Thank you, ma. He
Yes.
did not inform the university of any completion of program. Rather than after the 4 years, he is expected to return to the university. He did not return to the university.
No, I've not gotten there.
You
I'm just
said-
asking
you asked that.
I said he was sacked.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry, my lord.
I need to explain
Thank
to the
you.
court.
Yeah.
Just hold it. When I ask the question, just answer the question. Don't worry.
Thank you.
We have to be at the place of the court.
Yes. No, you said he got sacked on the 7th day of September 2017.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. You were now going to say something else.
Yes, my lord. Now, the question is, what evidence do you have as a university of the first defender completion of that program?
I won't be.
Audit. And refuser to resume before sacking him. What evidence? That he completed the program and he refused to resume back to work. What evidence do you have before sacking him on the 7th September 2017?
Ma, there are two questions in one that is asking. The issue of the evidence and the fact that his refusal to resume. After a leave, training leave, you'll be given a training leave for 1 year in the first instance. You can renew for 3 years, making a cumulative years of 4 years. After the 4 years, which was in around January or so, I don't remember, he was supposed to resume. He did not resume. And after a period of months, he wrote to the university seeking for another renewal, which was against the extant conditions guiding that training leave. So, and at that point again, if you look at it very well, for you to even write again, you must be, for you, if you are not on ground after 14 days, it's tantamount to abandonment of duty. So he wrote, and the university's appointment and promotions committee did not grant his request. So if you are talking about evidence, Learned Counsel, then the fact that he did not resume after the 4 years is enough evidence, and it's before the court.
It's okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Miller will seek to assess the exhibit,
Okay.
especially the bond.
Okay. Is it that one?
I'd like to show it to the witness so that I can read the paragraph out for us.
She's there. Mary. Okay.
The second paragraph, starting with sealed.
Okay. Is dash day of dash, whereas the guarantor has this day at the request of the guarantee. Is that Should I continue?
Go ahead. The second paragraph, the entire second
Grantee
paragraph.
awarded to him a grant from the Staff Development Scheme Fund. The recipient of the grantee hereby acknowledge upon an express agreement that the grantee on completion of his course shall serve the Lagos State University and its successor 2 years for each of the award from the Staff Development Scheme Fund.
That's okay. That's okay. I'm interested in the third, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth line. The grantee hereby acknowledge upon an express agreement that the grantee on completion of his or her course shall serve the Lagos State University or its successors 2 years, blah, 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 blah. In your own opinion, would it have been possible? Would it have been possible for the first defendant to return to serve the claimant without completion of the program? In your own opinion, just your candid opinion.
Thank you very much, sir.
No, yes or no, just your candid opinion. It will
There are
be
conditions, sir. There are conditions. A PhD is for 3 years.
I just said in your candid opinion, would it be ideal, would it be possible to return to serve without completion? Would it be possible?
So the condition of returning, if you did not complete your program, as long as you have exhausted the permissible number of years, you are expected to return to the university.
Okay.
I'm currently a PhD student in university. PhD is for 3 years.
It's okay.
And if you are given an extra year for if there's any issues. So if you did not make use of your 4 years to complete your program, it is not at the fault of the university that did not complete it. Thank you, ma'am.
It's okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Miller, we also want to have the exhibit. I wouldn't know because we were not here during the examination in chief.
Okay.
The condition of service for senior staff. The condition of service for senior staff should be there. The condition of service. We were not here then. The condition of service can't be here. The condition of service.
Is that the But there are other exhibits that they want. Is that the only exhibit?
It's voluminous. The condition of service is voluminous. Relatively bulky.
So what of the third document? Check inside to see that what they want is that this is bulky. What is that one? Just show him.
So it's not
Please,
before the
what
court.
is the title on what they?
Yes, my lord. It is titled Conditions of Service for Senior Staff.
Is it there?
Hello.
Yes.
I don't know what to do.
Yes.
I don't know whether that particular document among the document and that sort of it was filed along with the government supply and the French to contact it. Which
So it's not before the court as an exhibit. No, it's not.
Okay, but if it was standard, it will be in the exhibit fast.
It was not tendered. That's the implication.
That's what I'm telling you. We are on the same page. What I'm saying is that it wasn't tendered, but it was now filed that when they filed their statement of defense, amended statement of defense,
Yes.
counter claim,
Yes.
we now file our reply, the statement of defense.
Okay.
Defense counter claim. Now it was in that document that this particular document was filed. Position of service document now.
Because we have now before the court the three sister cases. And that is the only individual thing in it. And
My lord, my learned friend had already confirmed to the court
yes.
that the document is not before the court as an exhibit.
Mhm. Okay.
Because we have to defend our their own contact. We have to contact them.
Okay.
No, you find amended. You find amended.
That is the one.
You will have tendered it through him now before the court.
So it's not before the court. We have only exhibit C1 to C10, and none of it is bulky at all.
Now, I don't know the other report you want to do because they have a contact limitation.
Okay.
So I'm of the opinion that when they proceed with their contact, you have to defend that contact. Because at that time, that we can tell that document.
Are we all comfortable with that? Right as we speak.
Yes, my lord.
It is not before us. Maybe by the time it reaches that, after now, we will cause them to be, they will look for it. Look around and to see if there is anything like that in any documents, but see the document file, there is nothing. It's just suggesting that since they have counterclaim.
Yes, my lord.
Maybe when they're bringing up their counterclaim.
No, we had counterclaim. We are the one counterclaim.
Okay, counterclaim.
We have
Defense.
And that defense that will now
That they will now bring it.
Would that be tidy enough, my lord?
Yes, because if they can assess it, and they want to use it for it is the time they will.
Yes, my lord.
As places.
Yes.
As places, my lord.
Yes.
We continue, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Most grateful, my lord. Witness, as an administrator, university administrator, for how long does it take for your organization to respond to a correspondence? For how long, Ridgely? For how long does it take?
What sort of correspondence, sir?
No, for instance, correspondence from students, from lecturers to you. For how long does it averagely?
In this instance matter, the university runs on a committee system. Matters like this issue goes to a committee. The committee, which is the A and P, Appointment and Promotion Committee, looks at the matter, then refers it to council. So I cannot
tell. Averagely,
sir.
Averagely, sir, like how many weeks, like how many months?
Sir, you send something to go to the head of the department, to the dean. The dean will also forward it to the committee. The determine when they meet. They might meet quarterly, they might meet monthly, which I doubt, before it even goes to the University Governing Council. So I cannot stand here and except you want me to deceive my lord or give a false information here. Thank you, sir.
So you cannot really say.
It depends on the matter, the kind of matter, but I'm trying to explain the university procedure. That university operates a committee system.
So committee system can take a year, can take 6 months, can take.
Well, sir, that's the procedure.
Well, if the court can take judicial notice that if it is communication between one person and just another person, can take a day. Or if it can take a day, a week, or like you said, it can go from hand to hand.
Yes, my lord.
And we may not know how long it takes.
I
think that's what I understand.
As places.
Yes.
Well, that will be all for the witness.
Okay.
That will be all for the witness.
All right. Re-examination then. The second defendant's counsel has already cross-examined and he was re-examined. Any re-examination? Okay.
Like
the one that was not
the question
available.
No ambiguity. Why?
Okay, re-examination. We shall know. We shall hear it.
As complices, my lord.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So if you use your microphone, I will hear you better. Yes, sir.
What I'm saying is that
Yes.
very document that my learned friend referred to is
Yes.
what we are calling for.
Yes.
For clarifications.
Okay.
Yes.
But that document is not before the court now.
No, there is not. I'm talking of the bond, sir, not the condition of service.
The bond.
Yes, not the condition of service.
Okay.
The condition of service is not it's not yet in the court record.
Register. Let me see if we have the bonds with which that enables him to.
The same document that he read something out now, that my learned friend referred him to paragraph 4 also.
Because it was mentioned.
Thank you.
If you're tired, you can sit down.
I'm okay, thank you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Reach the legacy investing I say as a dog or the grant of total value of the company was invested. Yeah. Witness. Please, kindly read paragraph 1. Of that document. Oh, hold on. You have asked him. No. It's for clarification. You are asking for the value. You asked him about the value of that. And in that bond, there was an explanation of that, my lord.
Yes, but is that bond before the court yet?
That's it, That's it, my lord.
Okay.
So
okay.
It's just for clarification. That's all. Read.
By this bond, I, Olufemi Olugbemiga Oshoyeju, Jurisprudence and International Law Department, herein after called the grantee, and Carol Batunde Oyende, herein after called the grantor, are held and firmly bound to the Lagos State University or its successor, herein after called the grantor, for the payment of either the sum of -naira or the total value of the award, including tuition, transport, allowances, and salaries paid during the period of training to the grantee, to be computed by the buzzer of the Lagos State University.
Stop there. So in essence, the total value will be computed by the buzzer of the university. So what we are saying is that it's not as if this bond is for 100 million, is for 2 million. The total value shall be computed by the buzzer of the university after return. That's all. There's nothing strange about that. It's a document. The document speaks for itself.
Okay.
Just for clarification.
And most importantly,
I agree with you.
What the respect of the first defendants was not.
Yes, it's true. It's true. Thank you. But the same bond applies. Wait. The same bond applies mutatis mutandis to all the cases.
Yes.
Okay.
But even at that, it's a matter for address now.
As the court
Yes.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes. Okay. But I've heard it and I've put that one in my brain.
Yes, it's true, because this is not a Jew matter. I believe there's a mix up there.
Okay.
My lord, sir.
Yes.
I don't know whether are you true with your counter claim? If you are true. No.
Yes.
Yes, now. Then we'll have to proceed with our defense of that counter claim.
No, I want to know the much he has done, whether you want to re-examine. Okay,
no re-examination on that.
Okay,
I'm comfortable with the answer given.
Okay.
I'm comfortable.
He just did quote unquote a paragraph.
Yeah, but the court is not recording anything. The court did not record anything. Okay, now.
I pray we have opportunity to examine the witness on that document.
Which document?
That document that is not, because the document though filed, but has not been tendered as an exhibit in this. That is matter.
Now, whenever they tender it, you will have the opportunity to cross-examine whoever. Yes. Yes.
So at this junction, I believe maybe we can come back for the defense of our defense on the counter claim.
Yes. Okay.
Because the court, our police are still with, so we cannot afford to be on.
Thank you very much. We're now going to take a date for defense and counter claim. So you can step down and go back. But
thank you, ma'am.
Okay, no, I think we are done with him.
No, I'm still going to tender that document through him, my lord.
Through him.
Because he's the sole witness.
Okay, I see.
Yes.
So just step down, go back to your seat. Thank you.
So
when are you coming again? 6th of February. 2018. This is
we are not going to waste time on the just. If you can get
now that we know, because I was wondering how I could miss a whole evidence and cross-examination.
I was even sweating.
Yeah. So January? Not January again. It's an old case. How do you stand on the 16th of January? 16th.
Are you okay? My lord, sir.
Yes.
We take it, sir.
Okay.
Most grateful.
16th then.
Yes.
Did you say 16th? 16th of
15. 16.
okay.
Hi.
How about 15th? Is it all right?
15 is convenient.
Okay, 16.
Okay, no, it's not. No.
What about 16?
16 is all right. 16/1/24.
16.
Yes.
Convenient.
Okay.
Okay. We take it, sir.
Okay. So this matter is now adjourned to the 16th day of January 2024 for defense.
Yes.
You are coming for defense.
Yes, defense.
And counter claim.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Okay. 12, 23. So this Dangote, are we
Hi.
again? We have two Dangotes.
Yes, my lord. We have for now.
Council, are we taking the is it for continuation of hearing?
There's one before. Ours is the last. Yeah. Ours.
We've taken one now.
Yes.
No, number 15 in my list is Otodo. Okay. 16 is Victoria Jonah Odudo.
Yeah.
Is it going on?
Ah,
I will call him.
okay.
Very brief. Very.
Dangote, since we are all the same, eh?
What?
You're NIC and we are now Dangote. Can you take a date? We've taken one of we've heard you fully. Yes. Okay, are you in that?
Yes.
Okay. You have